Resetting your JLab Earbuds, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing a common issue with JLab earbuds, not turning on. This can often be resolved by performing a simple reset. Resetting your JLab earbuds can help if they're not turning on, not pairing correctly, or if you're experiencing other connectivity issues.
Why do I need to reset my JLab earbuds?
Resetting your earbuds can help resolve a multitude of issues. This procedure clears all pairing data and brings your JLab earbuds back to their factory settings. This can be particularly useful if your earbuds are not turning on, not connecting properly, or if you're having trouble pairing them with your device.
What do I need before I start the reset process?
Before you start the process, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. This ensures that your earbuds won't run out of battery midway through the reset process, which could potentially cause more problems. If your earbuds are not turning on at all, try charging them first. If they're still not turning on, it's possible that the earbuds are damaged or defective.
How do I reset my JLab earbuds?
To reset your JLab earbuds, follow these steps. 1. Turn off your earbuds. To do this, simply press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the LED lights on both earbuds turn off. 2. Enter the earbuds into the pairing mode. Once the earbuds are off, press and hold the power button on both earbuds for about 10 seconds. The LED lights on both earbuds should start flashing red and blue. 3. Reset the earbuds. Continue to hold the power button on both earbuds. The LED lights will flash white 3 times, and then the earbuds will turn off. This indicates that the earbuds have been reset. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on the specific model of your JLab earbuds.
What do I do after resetting my JLab earbuds?
After resetting your earbuds, you'll need to repair them with your device. To do this, turn on your earbuds and make them discoverable. Then, go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, find your JLab earbuds in the list of available devices, and select them to pair. And that's how you reset your JLab earbuds. Resetting your earbuds can help solve a range of issues and is a great first step to troubleshooting any problems. We hope this guide was helpful, and that you're now able to enjoy your JLab earbuds again. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.